Oh man, that's classic. Harley Davidson brought back to life from 40 years ago. That's a 1950 Panhead. I'm bouncing all over the road here. Move this back a little bit, I can see what I'm doing. There she is. Got this in the desert in Palmdale, California, a couple months ago. Tuned it, tightened it, went through the clutch, put a battery in it and gas in it, just cleaned the gas tanks out. Fired up on second kick course the other day. Didn't even have to touch the motor. How cool is that? Duncan likes this one. You don't want to stop. There he is. Let me get out of the way.
Another resurrection arm.
That's it. Bringing it back to life, boys. There we go.